Today's job is to replace the gearbox mount on my MK2 Focus ST. First thing to do is get the car in the air and on jack stands. Quick wheel bearing check, all good there. Okay, went out under the car. There should be an under tray, there isn't. I took it off a while ago and never got around to putting it back, but if there is, you have to take that off. But here is the transmission mount, and there's 2 bolts for it, one here and one here. There are 2 bolts that we need to remove, one underneath and one on the side. I've soaked them both in WD-40 for a couple of minutes and they came out fairly easily. Both bolts need a 15mm socket. Oh my word. Finesse the mount out, it might take a bit of struggling. Oh dear. Oh, there we go. With it out of the car, we can see that the old mount is shot. There's crack in here and there's quite a lot of play in the centre part. Now we can install the new mount by putting it in the same way the old one came out. It takes quite a bit of fiddling, and the only way I managed to do it was to just pull the gearbox far enough out of the way that I could squeeze the part in place. Oh dear.
Once it's in place, we can reinstall the bolts. The two bolts have different sizes. The longer one goes in the side, the shorter one goes underneath.
Held and pulled the gearbox away to get enough space to slot it in.
Once they've been tightened up, we can torque both bolts to 80 Nm, and that's it. That's the transmission mount installed on a Mark II Focus ST.